Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top New Collection Mini Semi-Automatic Washing Machine Reviews 2025.
Number 4.
Features: 1. Compact and portable. This cordless, rechargeable mini underwear washer is designed for on-the-go use, making it perfect for baby clothes, underwear, camping. 2. Rechargeable battery power. Equipped with a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, this cordless small washing machine can handle up to 20 washes per charge.
Number 3.
This 8L foldable mini washing machine is perfect for washing socks, underwear, and small garments. With 3 washing modes and a spinning dry function, it offers efficiency and convenience. The retractable, space-saving design makes it portable, lightweight, and ideal for home, dorm, or travel use.
Number 2.
Specifications: Model number 183, Type Jewelry Cleaner, Certification Rose C, Power W, 24W, Capacity 350 milliliters, Brand name TLIT, Origin Mainland China, Voltage 110 to 240 volts, Material ABS plus 300 for stainless steel.
Number 1.
This premium German-style mini semi-automatic washing machine is designed for individual use with a 3 kilograms capacity. Compact and energy efficient, it's ideal for small apartments, dorms, and travel. Featuring durable construction and easy operation, it ensures quick, effective washing while saving space and offering convenience for everyday laundry needs.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.